For question 7, given a polynomial px is equals to 2x cubed plus ax squared plus bx minus the d. So the keywords given here, they say it have a factors, which is x plus 2. So another factor here is x minus 5. So when it says factors, means our polynomial will be equals to 0 when x equals to negative 2 and x equals to 5, substitute into the polynomial. So they are testing us on factor theorem. So write our theorem. When x equals to negative 2, substitute it into the polynomial, we will get 0. So this is our factor theorem. And another divisor here, which is x minus 5, so x will equals to 5. So substitute value 5, it is also equals to 0. So find the value of a and b. So substitute negative 2 here will give us negative 16. And then 4a minus 2b minus 30, so which is equals to 0. We simplify this equation. So this is our first equation. Then we continue for the second information here, also a factor, so we will substitute 5 here. So that will be our second equation. So solve this simultaneous equation in order to find a, b. So we can see I have similar b here. One is positive, one is negative. So we will take equation 1 plus 2. In order eliminate b, so we can find a. So we get 7a. So we get a equals to negative 3. Substitute into either one equation. I substitute into 1. So our b here will be equals to negative 29. So this is our factor theorem, which is our basic. Need to write it clearly and then substitute the value for both. And we try to solve the simultaneous equation to get answer of A and B. Then we proceed for question B. They say, then factorize the polynomial completely. So use the value that I found just now. Our polynomial will be equal to 2x cubed, where our a is negative 3, b is negative 29, and then minus 30. So when I want to factorize it completely, I have to divide it by our factors. So just now we are given two factors here. So we're going to divide these two factors in order to get another factor. You can see when we have polynomial in cubic, means we will have three factors. When our polynomial in quadratic, we will have two factors. So our divisor here will be our factor. We expand our factor. So that we can do our division to find out another factor. So when we're doing our polynomial long division, make sure our polynomial arrange in order, start with cube, then x squared, then x, then number. So our divisor here is x squared minus 3x minus 10. So find the multiplier here. What should we time? So how to find here? We will divide back. So 2 divide 1, we get 2, x cubed divide x squared, we get x. When we multiply back, we will get what we need, which is 2x squared, 2x cubed. Then multiply for the following terms here. And we minus, so you'll notice that after our long division, our 2x cubed leading term must be able to divide, finish divide. So our balance here, negative 3 minus negative 6, will become positive x squared. And then here, negative negative become positive, negative 9 only. So this one have nothing, means 0, negative 30 minus 0. Then we continue, what is the multiplier we need here? We will need a 3. So that when I times 3 to the x squared, we get 3x squared. Continue for the so finish. Therefore, our polynomial will be equals to the factor x plus 2, x minus 5, and another factor is 2x plus 3, which is our quotient here. So this is how we do our long division to get another factors and write in factor forms. So notice that cubic will have 3 factors, 3 linear factors.